Well, when you get a stretch of days with temperatures like we had today, it just makes you realize that, hey, spring is on the way. Eventually, things will get warmer and we're going to feel a lot better. But winter is not finished. In fact, it's going to make its last hurrah coming up next week. We'll talk about that in a minute, but today has been beautiful. It's been dry, it's been sunny, and we are going to be seeing a few flood conditions still out there. In fact, it's not going to be until probably the end of the week that we start to see a lot of those river levels come down enough to bring a lot of those flood warnings, or at least get them out of here. As far as what we've been seeing today, temperatures started off cold. They were in the 20s early this morning. They're going to be wrapping up in the mid-50s for today. But those flood warnings still happening out there. You've got the Kentucky all the way up to the Ohio, Buckhorn Lake down there and right near Hazard, and you've got even the Cumberland sitting at a few flood stages right there, going up through McCreary and then before it dives south into Tennessee. Rivers and lakes are still up. All that continues to go down because we stay dry like we did today. Another day tomorrow, mostly dry. There will be a few light showers that come in late tonight, or excuse me, late tomorrow night. And then that kind of sets or resets that pattern that's going to be up and down throughout the coming few days. So basically today it's just been a stationary boundary. Wind has been light, hasn't really been doing anything. Cold air up north where there is going to be some snow throughout the next couple of days, whereas the rain stays down south with the warmer air. Now, we do get a cold front that comes through middle of the week. It's going to be here just in time to bring in a few light showers late tomorrow night, and that kind of brings us into Thursday. But putting the long range models into play, notice how we get into Thursday evening, Friday morning, another bit of rain. And then as we get into the weekend, there's another shot right there. This is the cold front that's going to bring in a big winter change. In fact, on the back end, there will be a little bit of snow before a secondary wave comes through, and that's going to drop a little bit more. But really, the bigger issue out of everything is going to be just how cold we get. The 60s, the 50s, all that's going to go away for at least a few days next week. But at least we get to enjoy it tomorrow with some sunshine in the morning. By the afternoon, though, those clouds start to thicken up. A few showers throughout the days, both Thursday, Friday, getting into even Saturday when that next best chance for rain gets here. But once that cold front slides through, no longer in the 50s, we dip down to the 40s and then all the way down to freezing for the afternoon high on Monday, which, by the way, this is a March day. It's been a while since we've had a freezing temperature for the afternoon high in March. Next week's forecast is going to show that both the 4th and the 5th are at freezing or below. The last time that happened in March was back in 2015. So it's been a long time since we've seen cold temperatures to kick off the first week of March, but it happens. It is Kentucky after all. Mid-30s overnight tonight, some sunshine in the morning. By the afternoon, though, you'll notice those clouds are starting to thicken up, and that is the next shot of rain coming in Thursday, Friday, into Saturday, and then also getting into the weekend as well. And yeah, even a little bit of snow. So how's that for early spring forecast for you?
Like we should expect anything less.
I know. Good news is it's not going to be a lot of snow, so we'll take that.
That's very good news.
Yep.
Thanks, Seth.